Hey everyone, in today's quick video, I'm going to talk about this amazing new feature on Samsung's new 2024 remote that nobody else is talking about, that will revolutionize your TV viewing experience. I don't know about you, but my remote for the 2023 TV had a habit of slipping out of my hands or off the arm of the couch. Now Samsung heard about some of these complaints and so added some ridges to the side of the remote to make it more difficult for the remote to slip out of the user's hands. Now I definitely recommend this remote over the 2023 remote due to this addition of the ridges. If you found this video helpful, and you're tired of losing your remote and your couch, definitely hit the thumbs up button. And if you want to stay up to date on any new videos that I release, please be sure to hit subscribe. This is JC Tech and Finance signing out.